Hi, this is Leanne from Global Media Networks with the Business Roundup for today. Further to the corporate disclosure made on the 12th of November 2012, Environmental Resources Investments PLC, GREG, purchased 353 million shares, that is a 19.98% stake of Brown's Investment PLC from Taprobane Holdings PLC at a price of ₹5.50 per share yesterday, the 19th of November 2012. In the meantime, the major shareholder of Greg Lionheart Investment Limited divested 101 million shares, that is a 28.9% stake of Greg, to Taprobane Holdings at ₹16.70 per share. We also see that Asian Alliance Insurance PLC yesterday, the 19th of November 2012, bought 34 million rupees worth of HNB shares held by its chairman Ashok Pathirage. HNB saw around 228,000 of its voting shares trading for 35 million rupees between a high of 144.90 rupees and a low of 142 rupees before closing at 142 rupees, down by 2.80 rupees. Now, it was the third largest contributor to turnover. Now, a block of 218,577 shares was done at 154.90 rupees, above 10 rupees from the market levels via a crossing. We see that the supermarket industry is calling for an urgent meeting between the Finance Ministry and all stakeholders over the new taxes on organized large-scale retail trade. The move is following industry experts pointing out likely snags in implementing the Budget 2013 proposal of imposing value-added tax of 12% for entities having over 500 million turnover per quarter from the 1st of January 2013 on supermarkets and other large retail or trading businesses, which will drive away average consumers in addition to eroding margins. We see that the Asian Development Bank yesterday committed additional financing for the Northern Road Connectivity Project, which is estimated to cost 14.6 billion rupees. Now, the two loan agreements in this connection were signed by the ADB and the Finance Ministry yesterday. Additional financing will be obtained to rehabilitate the national and provincial roads with the objective of achieving a balanced development through improvement of road connectivity between Northern Province and the other parts of the country. Lastly, we see that the money market liquidity on an overnight basis increased considerably yesterday as central bank conducted a repo auction to drain 9.085 billion rupees from the system at a weighted average of 9.32%. However, net liquidity was at 8.2 billion rupees due to the 1 billion being assessed from the CBS discount window rate of 9.75%. Now, this could be due to the lending restriction between market participants. Now, dollar inflows into the system on behalf of a debenture issued by a state bank was seen as the reason behind the increase in liquidity. Now, with that, I round up the news for today. Thank you very much for listening, and see you again tomorrow.